I'm gonna take a ride around our neighborhood because it looks like there's a storm coming in. And things can change so fast here in North Texas, where the weather can be severe. And some people say North Texas is the most dangerous weather in the whole country. The storms, the lightning, the thunder can be pretty awesome. I'm gonna go, you can see the clouds up there, but when you look toward the golf course, you can really see it getting darker. Normally we walk in about an hour and a half. I just got back from I'm doing some work out in the yard, and I had to get some bags. But you see those clouds up there? And that can turn into a tornado rather quickly. This is our neighborhood. This is one street over from where we live. There's the golf course. And then when you look down here, you can see it really getting dark. Look at that. This is our neighborhood. Our house is the second one in there. Beautiful neighborhood that we live in. Beautiful homes. We're very blessed. We're very grateful to God for what He's blessed us with. You know? I got some watermelon too. See that? And just on the other side of here is a little forest. And then the lake, there's a golf course. The golf course runs along here too.
Save yourself from days of line-by-line paper reviews.
But I don't know if we'll be, because what happens is the lightning starts to come and it gets very dangerous. This is a street that Carla's sister used to live on. Julian passed away. He's a good man, Julian. Which house was theirs? It had an electrical box out in front of it. It's up here. This is why we moved to the colony, because we wanted to be close to my wife's sister. I don't know. I guess I must have passed their house. I think I did. Oh no, here it is, right here. That's where they used to live. And he's gone. I visited Julian the last Saturday of his life, and I walked in. I knew he didn't have long to live, but he could acknowledge me, and I talked to him about Christ, and he nodded his head. Carla said it was the most animated he had been in a while. So I don't know if a storm's coming or not. We'll see. But when they do come, they hit hot and heavy. The guy down there that I walk with sometimes, he's in oil and exploration, rich, single guy, beautiful home, and he plays golf. So we shall see if the rains and the thunder and the lightning. I have to pick up I've been working in the yard and it's humid. I was sweating like crazy, and I just really enjoy it because it just flushes your body and you get a great workout. So today I started off tennis at 5:30 in the morning. I was there at 6. We played for an hour and a half. Then I went to the gym did a 45-minute cardio burn. Then I went out and get golf balls in the humidity. Was sweating profusely. Then I'm out working in the yard in the back. That's a good life. That's a godly life. You know? I like what Jimmy Calandra's prayer was that I posted on YouTube. I was so blessed by his prayer. He said something like, Lord, I thank you for a new life, a life that you intended me to live. That's what he said, a life that God intended him to live, of, you know, faithfulness and obedience. It's from Gone with the Wind. Tara's theme, I think it's called. So my mom used to sit in her car right here and talk to God. The last year of her life. I'd come out and talk to her and we'd go for a ride. I'll see her again. And my dad. And my brother. All right.